now we are going to do liberalization. Liberalization is what કે ગવર્મેન્ટે ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીઝ ઉપર લાગતા રૂલ્સ અને રેગ્યુલેશન ફ્રી કરી દીધા, રિલેક્સ કરી દીધા, સો દેટ all the factories, all the industries, they can do import export, they can do their business properly, and so that they don't face any problems for that. Okay, so that was liberalization. What was liberalization? कि rules and regulations relax કરી દીધા था, taxes ઓછા કરી દીધા था, so that trade, especially import export, okay, taxes આ બધું ઓછું કરી દીધું હતું, so that the industries and factories, they can work properly and get proper profit. So government's influence or government's involvement in the factories and industries became less because they made less rules and regulations. And liberty, liberalization એટલે freedom, okay, gave certain freedoms to the industries to do whatever they like, okay, in terms of import export business, etc. After independence, the Indian economy and market were protected from global competition. So after independence got over, the India's economy and enu market was protected from the competition that was there around the world. Why? Because જે મલ્ટીનેશનલ કંપનીઝ હતી એ ઇન્ડિયામાં એસ્ટાબ્લિશ નહોતી થઈ, ઓકે, એટ દેટ પોઈન્ટ ઓફ ટાઈમ, એન્ડ વી વર પ્રોટેક્ટેડ ફ્રોમ ધ કોમ્પિટિશન એટ ધ ગ્લોબલ લેવલ, એટ ધ વર્લ્ડ લેવલ, through different laws. This policy was based on thinking that government should play an important role in ensuring public welfare. The Constitution of India also underlined the social justice. So why did we not enter into global competition? Why did we not go international? Why did we not allow international companies in India? Was to save India from global competition, and second is to make sure that public welfare is proper. Public welfare એટલે લોકોનું બહેતર થાવું, okay, to look towards the need of the people, to look towards the good things towards the people. That was to ensure that લોકો ધોકો નથી ખાતા, કે લોકો are getting things what they want, okay, and to work towards the development of the people, okay, and to make sure that there is social justice. Social justice એટલે justice in the society. So what is society? ન્યાય, okay, to establish social justice and to ensure public welfare. We did not enter international markets, okay, why? In order to save the India's economy from the global competition. And this was the scene after independence. In the early part of the year 1991, the India's economy was faced by critical situation. Critical એટલે difficult situation with the declining foreign exchange. Foreign exchange એટલે India exchanging foreign currency. That is a very very important thing. Okay, we need more and more foreign currency for us. So we had very less foreign currency. Okay, people buying Indian things were very less. The government, in order to rejuvenate or relive or revive, okay, the economy, declared a new economic policy in which free trade policy was encouraged. So what happened now? Government realized that, you know, our economy is falling down, foreign currency is not coming. So in order to make sure, okay, in order to make sure that our economy revives, our economy comes back, okay, we had free trade policy. Free trade એટલે you could trade with whoever you want. So free trade policy was encouraged in perspective to foreign trade. Perspective એટલે in view of foreign trade. In order to have more and more foreign trade, we started having free trade policy. Under the long-term policy of import-export, import tariff rates were reduced. So import and export started happening. Import એટલે બહારના ફોરેનના પ્રોડક્ટ્સ ઇન્ડિયા આવતા, અને એક્સપોર્ટ એટલે ઇન્ડિયન પ્રોડક્ટ્સ વર ગોઈંગ અબ્રોડ, એન્ડ ઇમ્પોર્ટ ટેરિફ વર રિડ્યુસ્ડ. ઇમ્પોર્ટ એટલે the goods or the products that were coming from abroad to India, they had to pay very very less tax. Tariff એટલે tax, okay, and all these was known as liberalization. All these things was known as liberalization. So what was liberalization? After independence, we wanted to save our economy from international market. We did not want to enter international competition. And why did we not want to enter international competition? Was to make sure that there is public welfare and there is social justice. But because of this, our economy went weak, our economy was falling down. Okay, foreign exchange was very less, and in order to revive back the economy and in order to have more foreign exchange, we had the policy of liberalization that came into being, wherein we had free trade policy. Okay, import tariff rates were reduced, and all these things are included in liberalization. Okay,